Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's been about 2 weeks. I had a business trip to Dallas, Texas last week. I was pondering whether I was going to bring my machine or not, and I ended up not bringing it. And it felt weird because I bring it with me everywhere, but it was a good thing. I was so busy I didn't have a chance to detect. So I'm back in Southern California right now. I'm in Orange County, and this is the north side of Newport Beach. I think it's considered, I don't know, Santa Ana maybe. But I have the Vanquish 540. And I haven't heard of many people finding anything good in the last couple of weeks. The tides haven't really been helping out. But you never know. You might just walk over the right spot. So we'll see you on the first dig. This thing was initially reading like a quarter. Now it's getting choppy and showing mid-20s. Huh. That's why it's not a quarter. Looks like a vape. These darn things sound good sometimes. Yeah, it looks like we have a cut. I haven't seen a cut in a very, very long time, so I am excited. All right, let's find some stuff. Not the cleanest signal, but it's a signal along a cut, so I'm going for it. A lot of iron in this area, plus black sand. So I'm trying to. Signal's more rejecting than anything right now. Let's see if I got something here. Let me look. Yeah, full on rejecting now. All right, I'll get on a better signal. Scratch that. I found the target, and I just kind of scooped it because there's so much black sand. I threw it up here. Grabbed my pinpointer and I'm listening around here. If I turn it off, I did. And I see something round and shiny. Put this away. Man, that sounded terrible. It's nothing spectacular, but that's a rig. If I'm not mistaken. All right, let's get some more. Now, there's a ton of black sand right here. The cut is just right there. But it's repeating for the most part, so I'm gonna dig it. Anytime you got black sand, just dig it. If you hear something, dig it. I'm gonna get away from the black sand and dump my scoop here. And I see a tent stake. I never get around those darn things. Mid-20s. Screaming at me. Shallow. Well, if there's going to be this many targets, I'll just turn the camera on when I find something cool, because I have only gone, what's that, about 40 feet? Not far. This is a penny, but it is a really green penny, which is great. It means it's been there a while. All right, let's find some cool stuff. I have a good feeling tonight. Sun will be down shortly, but that is beautiful. So I've seen some lightning bolts over that way, and it's kind of concerning because the edge of the storm is just right here. Ooh, there was one. Hope my arm didn't block that. Hope you saw that. That was crazy. Even though the wind's blowing this my way, I'm right at the edge of this storm cloud area, and the lightning's happening like over here and over there. And I just think it's better safe than sorry. Unfortunately, I'm headed back to the car. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. All right, maybe I'll find something on the way back to the car. fishing pole. I'm probably an idiot for sitting here waiting for one. There it is. Woo. All right, yeah, I'm out of here. Well, Mother Nature won tonight. That's it, 2 pennies and what appears to be a ring, and a bunch of little rusty metal pieces. I don't suspect this is anything special, just a costume ring, but it's a ring. So hopefully the next time out it won't start raining and lightning and all that garbage. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.